How do you map a complex supply chain? Have you ever wondered how businesses keep track of all the moving parts in their supply chains? Mapping a complex supply chain is essential for understanding how products move from raw materials to the final customer. Let's break down the steps involved in this process. First, you need to define your objectives and scope. What do you want to achieve? Are you looking to identify inefficiencies or manage risks? Knowing your goals helps determine which parts of the supply chain to focus on. This could include direct suppliers, known as Tier 1, and even secondary and tertiary suppliers, referred to as Tier 2 and Tier 3. Next, identify all touchpoints and stakeholders involved in the supply chain. This means listing everyone from suppliers and manufacturers to warehouses and distribution centers. Don't forget about carriers and supporting systems like enterprise resource planning software or third-party logistics providers. This step ensures that no critical link is missed. Once you have your list, it's time to collect detailed data. Gather information about each touchpoint, including supplier details, manufacturing processes, transportation modes, lead times, costs, inventory levels, and geographical locations. You can use methods like supplier surveys, site visits, and internal logistics data to collect this information. Now comes the fun part, visualizing the supply chain. Use mapping tools or software to create a visual diagram of your supply chain network. This map should clearly show how materials, information, and finances flow between entities. Visualization helps you spot interdependencies, bottlenecks, and potential vulnerabilities. After visualizing, it's important to analyze costs, lead times, and risks. Evaluate shipping costs, transit times, and storage fees at each stage. This helps identify opportunities for cost reduction and efficiency improvements. Assess risk factors such as supplier reliability and logistical challenges. Creating a supplier risk index can help prioritize which risks to address first. Next, integrate your supply chain map with demand planning and supply management. Aligning the map with demand forecasts helps anticipate disruptions and optimize stock levels. This integration can significantly improve fulfillment speed. Finally, remember that supply chains are dynamic. Regularly update your map with new data and changes in the network to maintain its effectiveness. Practical applications of supply chain mapping include identifying bottlenecks, optimizing transportation routes, enhancing supplier collaboration, preparing contingency plans, and supporting sustainability initiatives. By following these steps, logistics and supply chain professionals can gain a clearer understanding of complex supply chains, leading to better decision-making and more efficient operations.